Hello folks, today we're in Hulen at the BriteZone car wash.
Do I need to get on my...
Here we go.
I'm this far from that car's bumper.
Yep. They're loading us tight in here.
Yeah, I got one right on my butt.
Yep. That smells interesting.
Dang, they're rolling these things today.
Yeah, they are.
I gotta pay attention. Is there a break up ahead? I can't see.
Huh.
Hey, my mirror went in and then got bumped back out, Holmes.
Did it really?
Yeah. Nothing I could do. She pushed it in.
Yeah, mine over here was pushed in too. Loading us in pretty good here.
Yeah, they are. I'm not sure this is crap.
Huh?
Dang.
My goodness, here goes back that way.
I go that way.
Woo. Looky there. Yes, sir. This is a full serve. If you get a full serve package, it could also be an express. And
They didn't even get my mirror. Holy crap.
well, we got a full serve. We got a full serve, so they'll get that off. It's all good. Yep.
We go
We're
that way,
good.
don't we?
Yeah, we go that way because we got an interior.